Creating custom fields in SkyQuota. So how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. No matter where, well, pretty much if you're in leads, companies, or any of the main sections, whether you're in list view, whether you're inside a record, you have a button that says custom fields, and you can create custom fields. All right, so let's create a couple. I'm going to create a new custom field. And what type of custom fields can you create? Well, you can create text box, radio buttons, check boxes, which give you like multiple options, drop downs, and date pickers like calendars and whatnot. So, I mean, pretty much everything you can think of is here. Let's keep it simple for a minute, and we'll just create a text one, okay? And we'll say, do you like our product? Question mark. And I'm going to hit save. I'm also going to create a simple radio button just so you see how the options work. Want to purchase? I don't know. Question mark. But we'll do a radio button because we'll give them the option. So we click in here. This is the option box, and this will pop up so we can decide the option. So we're going to say yes or no. Okay, so yes is one option and no is another option. All right, so I've just created two custom fields. I created a text field, and I created want to purchase. All right, now look, there's a lot of different custom fields already existing here. And this is what's really cool. Each user can choose to display whichever custom fields they want and not display the ones they don't want. But the data is always preserved, and everything is thought through, and the logic is perfected. So watch how this works. I'm going to close the custom field screen, and let's pretend, so I'm logged in as me, Michael, and now I'm going to click modify because I want to, now I'm inside a company. I want to modify these custom fields. So I'm going to click modify, and let's say I do want to display these two. So I'm going to check them, and I'm going to hit save, and now here they are. All right, I could say, yes. Do you want to purchase? Yes. All right. So it's basic stuff like that. But look at this. I'm in a company, right? Let's go into the list view of a company. Well, those fields aren't there at the top. Where are they? Well, I can choose to adjust. When you're in list view, it's called adjust. When you're inside a specific record, it's called modify. So right now, I'm in the list view of all the companies, and I want to adjust my fields, and I want also adjust has both system fields and custom fields. That's the real difference. So the button adjust is a combination of system and custom, but modify is only custom fields. So anyway, we just created these two, and I want to display them. So I'm going to hit save, and now here they are. Right? They're big. I probably am not going to have these in list view, to be honest with you, but I'm just showing you how it works. But you know what? I also don't like them all the way over here to the right. So maybe I'd like to move them somewhere, right? So let's say I want this one here that's number 19 to be number 1. Watch this. I hit number 1, hit save. If I hit, and now there it is. So not only can you turn them off and on per user, you can also adjust the order in which you see them. Very customizable. Now, that was companies, right? But this actually works in each section. So let's go into leads. Different, right? Every section has its own adjust and its own modify. So I'm now inside a record, and those same custom fields are available. I just happen to not have them modified, but let's say I want them. Okay, here we go. I turn it on. Now there's no data in it, of course, because I didn't type it. But here are the fields. Maybe this one doesn't want to purchase, right? And he doesn't like the product. Okay. And that's how you create and use custom fields.